How to access solar panel battery health report in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS. Go to the Reports section to access the Tracker Battery Charge Report. Select the Solar Panel Battery Health Report from the available options. All Devices Report. This opens the Solar Panel Battery Health Report for all active devices. Choose a date range to narrow down the data you want to view. To enhance your viewing experience, apply filters to the report. Click on any individual row to see the detailed report. The displayed data corresponds to the selected battery which is installed in the vehicle. Hover over either graph to see detailed data. At each step, you can download the report in PDF, Excel, or CSV format by clicking the Download button.